Hello everyone. Today I'll explain how to encrypt, decrypt, and modify the IP address of the X100 Pro through the web control interface. First, ensure that the computer and the X100 Pro are on the same local network. Then, open the browser and enter the X100 Pro's IP address in the address bar. The default IP is 192.168.1.10. In this demo, it's 192.168.10.100. After entering the IP address, you'll reach the login interface. The default login password for the X100 Pro is 123456. Enter the default password and click Login. This screen is our web control interface. Let's first go through the encryption and decryption operations in the web control interface. First, click the menu button in the upper right corner. Then, click Authorization and enter the authorization password, which is 168. After confirming the authorization, click Device Settings. In Device Settings, you'll see the Encrypt-Decrypt option. Click Encrypt-Decrypt to see if the device supports encryption. The current encryption status is shown, along with the current time. Before encryption, you need to synchronize the network time by clicking Sync Network Time. Once the time is synchronized, click Encrypt, then choose an expiration time. Set a custom password, enter it, and click Confirm. Now, you can see that the device is in an encrypted state. If you need to decrypt it, click Decrypt and enter the password set during encryption. Click Confirm to complete the decryption. After decryption, you'll see that the encryption status has changed to unencrypted. This concludes the encryption and decryption operations for the X100 Pro on the web control interface. Next, let's look at how to change the IP address of the X100 Pro through the web control interface. In Device Settings, click Basic Settings. Here, you can change the device name and the device's IP address. Click Save to apply the changes. Now let's check out the device version interface, where you can view detailed model and version information for the mainboard, backplane, front panel, and input-output cards. You can also upgrade the firmware here. That concludes today's session. Thank you, everyone.